Everything's perfect in a dream.
Superman, you know. I had a motorbike you could ride in the sky anywhere, at any speed, you know, and I could shoot up to a flying saucer and be away to another planet if I felt like it.
Walking down the street when I stop to cross the road. I go over a zebra crossing and a car draws up quickly. There's a young, very handsome man in the car. He really is a film director. Sleeping daydreams. It was usually some big handsome man sweeping you off your feet, crushing you with his strong arms. And he says, would you like to make a picture for us? It's about a young girl. So I said, but I'm not beautiful. We're not looking for anybody beautiful. We're looking for somebody with a face like you.
Street and see a very beautiful woman or girl, you can suddenly imagine things.
You dream in bed. One of these sleeping daydreams